crocheting enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a commonly used crocheting technique in crochet projects, which is the chain crochet. In this tutorial, I will provide a step-by-step guide on how to make chain crochet easily and quickly. So, make sure you are ready with your yarn and crochet hook. First, take your yarn and crochet hook. Next, create a basic knot at the end of the yarn to start knitting. Then, bring your hook to the knot and create a loop by wrapping the yarn around the hook. Hold the knot with your fingers and pull the yarn through the loop that was created. Pull the yarn to make the first chain stitch. Now, repeat these steps to make the second, third, and subsequent chain stitches. Make sure to maintain consistent yarn tension as you make the chain stitches. Continue repeating this step until you reach the desired length of chain crochet. And that's how you make chain crochet. I hope this tutorial helps you understand this basic technique. Feel free to practice and experiment with various projects using chain crochet. Thank you for watching, happy knitting, and see you in the next video.